YouTube, and welcome back to another fabulous video. Just give me all of that pussy, so many options. Now you got me calling all these different numbers. Why you being selfish? You know that I want you. You really been working. You deserve a Birkin. Girl, you so contagious. Then I just know I've been away from some time now. I'm just dealing with a lot of personal issues, but you know, I will get over them and stuff like that. It's a lot of family things that's going on. But today I was super duper excited to play in some makeup. And I know I don't play in makeup that often anymore because of everything that I am going through, and it sucks. But I am happy today. My spirit was like, yo, Yelly, get like, bitch, you're living, you're breathing, like, get your life together. And today I'm giving you this beautiful full makeup, and like, honey, look at my, like, look at the lips, look at the fucking highlight, look at the blush, like, yo. And I got some tricks and tips for you guys. And look at this, look at my hair. First of all, I think I came on YouTube before with my hair cut, and it was so much shorter. And the way I style my hair is just with the sponge. I just spray my hair with water and take my sponge and go. But your girl will soon be Banzu Mommy again, because I love the natural, like, don't get me wrong, but I love me some inches, honey. Look at this. I just came up with this on the spot. I wanted to do a look that is a like a fall look, because we are in October, you know, and a lot of people keep coming up to me asking me, can I do their makeup? And guys, I'm so sorry, and I love you so much for even like thinking that I'm a makeup artist. I'm no makeup artist. I am trying, and I learn, and I practice, and trust me, like, if you don't want to be a cake face, don't come to me. You feel me? So, but do you guys like my shirt? It looks familiar, right? If you haven't watched my Rue 21 try on haul, this is where I got this shirt from, this Tupac shirt, and I think it's so dope and kind of goes with my eye look today. Like, I'm feeling the lips. Like, I'm not even going to tell y'all nothing. Like, y'all just going to have to, your girl mastered the brown lip, affordable way to get brown lips. You feel me? I mean, it might not last all day, but you know, let me stop talking. I'm so excited because I actually came up with a look today that was so beautiful, so vibrant, like, you know, like with the burgundy, with everything, with the shimmers. And I have to get more palettes that have shimmers, because I love shimmers. Shimmers are so freaking bomb. And that is all. So if you want to see my makeup tutorial on how to get this bomb as a look, okay, this bomb as a look, keep on watching, honey. Mwah. Hey guys, and as you can see, I already have my look, and I'm going to prime my eyelids with some concealer, and then you're going to see me take this round brush and buff it all out just so it could be seamless, you know. I'm going to take some of this setting powder and just set it. I've never did this before, honestly, but it didn't make or break the look. I'm going to go in with my box of crayons and take the shade brown and go in my crease, just my crease with this color. Then you're going to see me go in with the Juvias Place palette. Forgot which one this was, but I'm going to go in with the Juvias Place palette. And I'm going to take this orangey shade and put that on top of the brown. I don't know why I do that. I just, you know, it just looks so bomb. And then I'm going to cut my crease. The way I cut my crease, I put the concealer at the bottom of my lid and then I look up. So you guys are going to see me look up, which will show me where to start my crease.
When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there. It was nights like this, feeling right like this. I never really spent no time like this, Your second time at the crib knowing I might not hit. You said what I look like my bitch, yeah. Looking in your eyes, shit is dangerous.
I'm gonna go back in with my Juvias face palette. I know my palette look crazy, but I'm gonna go in with this beautiful gold shimmer. Like it's like gold. I don't want to say rose gold, but it's so pretty. It's a beautiful shimmer. And then I'm gonna go back in with a different makeup brush, and I'm going to take that burgundy shade and put it on the corner of that shimmer shade, and it looks so bomb. So now I'm going to show you guys a little trick how I put my eyeliner on. I have this I have like 9 angle brushes, and I take the angle brush and I take a little piece of cardboard or paper, tape, anything, and I do that. But I did it off camera because my eyeliner would have came crazy. Now I bought this little eyelash thing from Aliexpress. It was like $1 something. And I keep my eyelashes in once I take them out of that pad. And I'm just gonna put my lashes on.
Now you rockin' with a real one. And when I'm in it, you be maxing on a million. And when I hit it back to back, you make me still come. I know them bitches hating on you, we gon' kill them. That's facts. You full of vibes.
Now that eyes are done, it's time for the face. I'm going to go in with this Cover FX blurring face primer. I'm going to put that all over my face.
Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we damn close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. That's what it's like loving you. Hey, you know you bad, babe. You know I like it.
Here is my current favorite foundation, which is the Can't Stop Won't Stop NYX foundation. I'm gonna put it on the back of my beauty blender, and I'm going to put that all over my face. I'm so mad I did not show myself putting on concealer. That blew my mind, and I'm so upset about that. But I have my Colorpop but in the banana shade setting powder, and I put that where I put the concealer. So I put the concealer under my eyes, and I put the concealer on my chin.
You give me something I can pay for. That's what it's like loving. 5, 6, 1 funk. Okay.
So here we are about to contour my face, and I have this contour stick / concealer thing from Black Radiance, and I'm gonna contour my cheeks, my chin, and also my forehead. And I'm going to take this contour blending brush. Zohra.
Girl, you so contagious, then that's just so dangerous. 5, 6, 1 funk. Okay. The vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes.
Now I have my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade, pressed powder in the shade 360, and I am going to put that all over my face, literally. I'm going to bring back some color in my face. I'm going to set under my eyes with the setting powder. I do not want it too bright. I want it bright, but not too bright, you know, like. And I just put this in my makeup routine. Now I'm going to take my blush from Note Cosmetics in the shade Desert Rose. Is it Desert Rose? I believe. And I'm going to smile, and I'm going to put some blush on my cheeks, and I'm going to take my Badescu, my favorite setting spray as of now, and spray that all over my face, and I'm going to just fan it away. Next, I'm going to take my AOA Studios highlighter. I couldn't even get the word out. I think this is in the shade Fairy. I'm not completely sure, but I will put it down. And this is $1 from Shopmissa.com. I don't know how many times I have to tell y'all to get up on a little products. This highlighter is $1, honey.
You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you're going through.
Now it's time for lips, and this is the fun part. I'm going to take this brown shade from the box of crayons, and I just wanted to experiment and have some fun. Makeup is supposed to be fun. So, like, I don't have any brown lip products, so I made one, duh. So I put the brown shade all over my lips. Then I'm gonna go with my favorite clear lip gloss, and boom, honey, you got yourself a brown lip. Like, fix it up, and you gonna look poppin', honey. I am completely done with my makeup. I'm going to go back in with that Colorpop setting powder and banana, and I'm going to carve out that contour. And I am starting to really love this look. I don't know why. I feel like it brings the whole look together. I feel like you have to do this part. I mean, I know everybody doesn't do this. I just started doing this, but I feel like it does the job. Like, it brings your makeup out. And I just buff it in with the beauty blender. Now you gotta be extra and just pose for the camera, guys. Thank you so much for watching my full tutorial makeup look, and I love you guys so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias, and I love you guys. Bye.